ladies and gentlemen, I'm proud to present the very supportive and loving parents of our very handsome group. Make some noise to Mr. and Mrs. Sunny and Imelda Bernardo. The very supportive and loving parents of our beautiful bride. Friends, put your hands together to Mr. and Mrs. Eduardo and Annalisa de los Reyes. Today is the day. Augie and Christine will forever cherish and celebrate for 4 years. They proved that their love for each other and stood to the test of time. And now all the most important people in their lives, we are celebrating the love and union. And we, ladies and gentlemen, I invite you all to please wave your table napkin. Magsitayo po ang lahat. Pakihawakan po ang mga table napkins.
Table napkin daw.
Na may kasamang sigawan as we welcome the couple of the hour, our very handsome group, together with his beautiful and lovely bride. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Romel Bernardo together with Mrs. Christine de los Reyes Bernardo. Take your seat to all the gentlemen and ladies. Let's continue our program. Proper ladies and gentlemen. I know everyone is looking forward as we witness the traditions that they're gonna do as their groom and bride for this evening. During the planning of the occasion, one thing that they will not miss out, ang sinigurado po ng ating couple na magawa na this evening, is to have a few minutes of this occasion to pay honor and tribute to their loved ones, specifically their wonderful parents. So may I request to our very handsome groom, Mr. Romel, to please get the head of their beautiful mother, Mrs. Imelda Bernardo, for the mother and son dance.
Wait. Picture, tagaling na yung tama na. Tapos na. Ayoko na.
Come on guys, a round of applause for the mother and son dance.
Each other's face, so much love you in this place.
I can't miss this sweet moment. Sweet moment.
Mami Imelda, and this time we do a humble request for the